Students, now today I am going to teach you superlative degree to comparative degree. In my previous lecture, I did tell you how to change superlative degree to positive degree. But now today we will study and I will teach you super to comparative degree. Superlative degree means things or places, whatever we are going to give him most important. The most important role is that role is called the superlative degree. The role is anyone is playing the main role or most important role in the sentence, that is that will come in superlative degree. And when we are going to change into comparative degree, it means we are going to compare with two or more things, plants, whatever we want to compare, that will be in the sentence. Then how you will define the superlative degree? How you will define the sentence is written in superlative degree, and how you will define the sentence is written in comparative degree. Therefore, we students, you have surname. Every student has their different types surname. Like that, superlative degree has also surname, and comparative degree has also their surname. From their surname, we will decide the sentence is written comparative degree, otherwise not written comparative degree, otherwise the sentence is written superlative degree. Okay, then see here how you will define. I am going to show you in this box. Suppose in the sentence written is there the est, the est. This is the surname, means symbol of superlative degree, and other is the most is written in the sentence. This is also the symbol of superlative degree. In previous lecture I did teach you how to change super to positive, but today I am going to teach you super to comparative. Then surname will change of comparative degree. And also we have all students, we have one surname, but superlative degree and comparative degree, positive degree, degrees have their two surname, the parallel surname, okay, twin surname. Therefore, we are going to change into comparative degree. Then we have to know also what is the symbolic form or surname of comparative degree. Er than or more than, or more than is written in the sentence. The sentence is written in comparative degree. Students, now see here, whenever you will find like this, the est, the most, I explained this all, and we are going to show, I want to show you examples. Before the examples, you have to know the formula. What is the rule of the changing superlative to comparative degree? First of all, we have to write in the changing. First of all, we will start from subject. Subject, whatever will be given in the sentence, that will be subject we will take. Subject, first of all, we have to write subject. After the subject, students, always I told you that after the subject we have to use helping verb. Whatever helping verb is given or will be given in the sentence, we will use that. We have to use here helping verb. Therefore, helping verb. Helping. I am writing in short form. You understand full form. Okay. Helping verb. After the helping verb, plus we have to use the symbolic form of comparative degree, because we are going to change into comparative degree. Therefore, there is two options for changing comparative degree, ER than dash or more than. So what we will write, ER dash than, ER dash than, and other is more dash than. We have to write, because after the writing this, the sentence will be directly changed into comparative degree. In after the writing this all, we have to write any other, any other, any other. We have to write after writing this, and last of the sentence we have to write object. We don't change object. Object will be as it is, whatever will given in the sentence. Okay, everyone is understanding. Now see here, learn the formula. Subject plus helping verb plus the symbolic of comparison of comparative degree, and plus any other plus object. Okay, suppose first example, I shall write like this sentence. Akash is the most intelligent student. Akash is the, no, don't take Akash is the, right here. Okay, it's okay. I want to rough it, but don't rough it. Akash is the most intelligent student in the class. Akash is the most intelligent student in the class. First of all, we are going to see in the sentence. The sentence is written in superlative degree, because in the sentence here is present the most, and what is the here is also the most. The most is the symbolic form of superlative degree, and we are going to change superlative to comparative degree, and comparative degrees formula is written here. Then first of all follow subject. What is subject? Subject is Akash, and don't write object here, because after the subject will come helping verb. Subject is Akash. Then first of all write Akash. After the Akash will come helping verb. Then write helping verb. आकाश, इधर या क्या है थोड़ा सा, आकाश, आकाश first subject is Akash plus helping verb. What is helping verb? Is given is. Akash is. After the helping verb, we have to go into ER than or more than. We have to write in the most here. The most will remove from here, and here we will use more. We will use here more intelligent than, more dash than we are going to use na. Then write more and intelligent, more intelligent than. After writing Akash is more intelligent than any other write, because after writing this we have to write any other student in the class. This will be our answer. Akash is more intelligent than any other student in the class. Understanding or not? Like this. You are thinking about this, why I did use here intelligent, because the rule is this, more dash than. Then I written at the place of most more. Okay, In the place of dash is written intelligent. Okay, and dash then and like this. And second sentence, see here. Second will like this. Subhas Bose was the greatest leader of India. Leader of India. Okay. Write like this sentence. The Subhas Bose was the greatest leader of India. The EST is present in the sentence. Therefore, this sentence is written in superlative degree, and we are going to change into comparative degree. The comparative degree's formula is like this, like subject. Subject is given our Subhas. Then write here Subhas Bose. Subhas Bose is surname. Subhas Bose will come with each other. Subhas Bose, after helping work, was removed from here EST, okay? Because EST is the symbolic form of superlative degree. EST will remove from here. Subhas Bose was greater, okay? Great will be greater. Greater than. Are you understanding or not? I remove this greatest. The also remove, and from here EST. And students, don't do like this. Students, you are understanding. Don't understand like this. We have to change. Here is greatest, then leave one word, and after that object. We are not going to change into positive degree. That rule will follow into positive degree. We are changing in comparative degree. Okay. In comparative degree, we will go to the systematically. There is no any disbalances. Okay. Then see here. Subhas Bose was the greater. I use here, and I told you greater. Subhas Bose was greater than any other leader of India. Subhas Bose was greater than any other leader in India. Leader in India. My sentences is, I think, so long, therefore I have to short place. See here. Subhas Bose was the greatest leader of India. It means no other leader was like Subhas Bose. And after the changing, what we did find, Subhas Bose was greater than, it means we are going to do compare with Subhas Bose to other leaders like M.G. Gandhi and other more whatever was leader in former. Greater than any other. Why we are using any other? Any other means we are going to give more important to Subhas Bose. Okay. Any other means anyone is not like Subhas Bose. Clear or not clear? Okay. Then you change like this, and second sentence I want to write like this. Mumbai is the most beautiful city in India. In our country, any city is not like Mumbai. We all know, and this is also truth. Then see here, students, Mumbai is the most beautiful city in India. this sentence is written into superlative degree. Why this sentence is written into superlative degree? Because of their surname, because of their symbolic form. The symbolic form is written here, the most. And the most is the symbolic form of superlative degree. I told you before and previous lecture also. Then see here, we are going to change into comparative degree. Therefore, first of all, we have to write subject. Subject is what? Mumbai. Because all sentences depend upon Mumbai. Always remember one thing I remain now. I want to say you. What is subject? Everything, helping verb and whatever is given in the sentence. You note from today, everything is always depend upon subject, and everything is depend in any other, that is called subject. Okay, every words are depend into one word, that word is subject. Mumbai is the most beautiful city in India. What will be meaning? Not na, without using Mumbai. If we are using Mumbai, then Mumbai will be subject. Then first of all write subject, and subject will be Mumbai. Then Mumbai, comparative degree, no? Yes. Mumbai, after writing Mumbai, we have to use helping verb which is given in the sentence. What is given is, then use here is, Mumbai is the most, we have to remove because of degree of comparison, because we are going to do compare. Without removing this, we are unable to compare, because the most or the est is always going to give important one thing or one person and one words. Est or the most is always going to give important more one words. Okay, and we are going to change into comparative, because we want to compare to the others with this whatever was given. Then see here, Mumbai is, and the most will remove, and here will come more than or here than. Okay, here I think here is suitable more than, because most is the compare like this more. Okay, most means it's okay. Come here on the point, otherwise video will be so long if I will start whole story. Then see here, Mumbai is, remove the most and use here than or more than. Mumbai is more. I told you, here will be dash. In the dash will come the important of the beautiful. Okay, the Mumbai is more beautiful. Students, I know you are confused here. Why you confused here? Sir, why you writing here beautiful? Okay, how many students are confused? Please raise your hands. Okay, see here. Mumbai is more beautiful. I written here more and beautiful. And where has gone than? I will tell you students, the rule is like this: more dash than. It means first write more, and after writing more, write something, and after that you can use then. You are able to use then after writing something from more. Suppose you will write more, you have to write something in this dash place, and after writing that place, then you are able to use then, otherwise not able to use it, unable to use it then. Okay, you are clear or not? Then see here, Mumbai is more beautiful than, don't use capital word, this will come than. Mumbai is more beautiful than any other. Why I using any other? Students always remember, why add any other in the sentence? Because we are going to do compare. In this sentence, you see very carefully. In this sentence, there is, and mention any other city or not. Any other city is not mention, but in comparison we are going to mention. We are going to mention with the other cities, Mumbai, otherwise other more cities, Kolkata, Delhi, whatever cities in India, we are going to compare. It means any other means the more cities. Okay, more cities are going to compare with Mumbai. We are going to compare. Therefore, we are writing any other. Understand? Then see here. Mumbai is more beautiful than any other. Any after writing any other, whatever has remained, that is your object. Write in last any other city in India. City in India. India. Okay. Now my sentences is completed, and I want to say something from you, students. Always remember, if you are writing superlative to comparative degree, there is no meaningless sentence you are writing, you are making. The first sentence was written in superlative degree, that was also that sentence was also meaningful, and second sentence is also meaningful. Only different is this, there was a sentence is going to give important one words, and here is also one word, but compared to the others, one is more better than others. Okay, therefore we have to change into this, and don't this read, write and forget and throw your books. You study and make like this more sentences and use in your daily life, and use to talk to each other, to use this degrees. This was our superlative degree to change into comparative degree. And finally I am telling you, don't forget this. If you are making from super to comparative, otherwise positive, only you are going to change the direction of the sentences, but meaning is the same. What was the meaning first, the last you are making, that is also meaningful, and the previous also meaningful. Okay, then last of all, in my video, not cut any and not edit anything. Whatever you are going to find on YouTube, that is only originality of the videos. Okay.